everybody, it's your boy Make It Look Easier back again with another video, and today we're going to be talking about something real quick about the comments section. If like me, if you check where the comments are, they actually move the comments on YouTube, so I want to let you guys know where the comments are in the comment section, so that way you can reply to either my videos or any other YouTuber that you're subscribed to, so that way you can see where your comments went, because I thought they disappeared for a second. So hopefully I can help you guys out. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button if you're ready for this video, and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and turn on notification bells because we're going to have a lot more videos on the channel. But let's get right into it, and let me show you exactly where the comments are in the comments below. Let's get it, man. So guys, right now we're looking at one of my videos on my channel, but if you guys are going through and you scroll through YouTube and you're watching one of your videos and you go to it, and let's say as soon as you pop up into the video, you're trying to see what the comments are saying, so you scroll down real quick and then you keep scrolling, and then you just notice, like, wait, videos are actually popping up. YouTube actually changed out the whole layout for the mobile, so that way videos actually pop up. Now you might be asking, like, where are the comments? Where are the comments? Well, if you scroll too fast, you might miss it, and you might not even see it if you just scroll normally too, because as soon as you scroll up, as you can see, YouTube automatically shows like all related recently uploaded videos, and it might recommend you other videos from that. So if you look closely though, the comments are right under your YouTube account. Now, if you click the arrows, these arrows are actually going to show you what and where the comments are. And this is exactly where you want to go if you want to put a comment on a video. Now it's like an extra step just to see where it is and actually open it up. But this is how you're going to be able to do it on mobile. And like normal, you can just add a comment like usual, just type it out and you'll be good to go from there. But that's the little thing you have to remember, is that you got to click these arrows, or you can tap anywhere, but preferably the arrows, so that way it'll pop up and you know exactly where the comments are. I guess they did that to make it a little bit more organized, but some people, if you're like me and you just start scrolling all the way down to see what the comments are, it might catch you off guard. So that's exactly where the comments are. Guys, I hope this little tip helped you out. And remember, if this helped you, be sure to share this video with other people, so that way they can stay informed to where the comments are. And if you guys are one of my subscribers and you guys are wondering why can't we comment on your videos, maybe you haven't seen where the comments are, so make sure to check that out. But man, thank you guys so much for watching. It's been your boy Make It Look Easy. I'll be back with more videos, so make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and now that you know where to comment down below if this video helped you out. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Have an awesome day, guys, and remember, as always, stay easy. All right.